Welcome to a demonstration of the DS200 voting machine, a digital scanner. I am Bob Nelson. The ballots are standard in size, an 8.5 by 11. It is printed on a much heavier grade of paper, so it greatly reduces the problem of jamming. When a voter comes in, he or she will present themselves to the poll book table. They will be cleared by the poll book officer and may go to a ballot officer sitting nearby. They will have a ticket that will allow them to get a ballot. They will get a ballot, go to a privacy area, and then mark the ballot with the pens provided there. They should be black ballpoint pens. Now, I have marked several ballots in different ways to demonstrate how this works. The first ballot is a well-marked ballot. It has all the information on, and voters need to be aware that they must mark the write-in box before they write their candidate or their choice on the ballot. And the beauty of this machine is that it will accept the ballot right side up, upside down. It will accept it toe first or head first. They slide this in, there it goes, and we'll wait, and we just heard it drop in there. We're ready for the next ballot. If you note, the public count went up by 1. This next ballot is marked differently. This ballot was deemed to be a blank ballot. You've made no selections on this ballot, and you can elect to have it returned or to cast it. We're going to have it returned, and the voter does this. The ballot comes out, the voter must take the ballot. There will be a security folder there if they would like to have it covered up for privacy's sake. An election officer, namely the chief or assistant chief, should be called over and escort that voter to the ballot table. At the ballot table, that ballot will be deemed a spoiled ballot. It will be put into a secure envelope, and the ballot officer will issue a new ballot. They then return to the machine to have it scanned. The other messages that you would get on there are for an overvote. If they mark 2, the screen will show that there was an overvote, and they can elect to have that vote accepted, which means no vote will be cast in that office for them, or the ballot can be ejected at the return to the voter, and the voter can be escorted by the chief or assistant chief over to the ballot table, have that ballot spoiled, and have a new ballot issued to them. The last thing would be stray marks. Stray marks that cannot be read or determined will be shown on the screen, and the same procedure. The election officer comes over, the election official comes over, that is the chief or assistant chief, escort the voter. The officials never touch the ballot. The ballot is handled only by the voter, goes to the ballot officer, placed in the envelope as a spoiled ballot, and then they are given a new clean ballot to use.